Alright, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be recreating a nail. We are going to be recreating this nail right here. So let's get into it. So we are going to be using this nail transfer foil, and I got this from the Real Nail Hustler. I will put her YouTube and her link down below if you guys are interested. But yeah, I love this product. It's amazing. We're going to use the purple one right here. I have my nail tip that I got from AliExpress, and we are also going to be using the Landfo Poly Nail Extension Gel. This is in Y12008. I do have a video coming up on this, so if you guys are interested, I will have it uploaded soon. But yeah, so let's get into this design. I will be using the lip solution from Landfo, so I'm just gonna put it inside. I'm gonna put it inside this jar. Oh, it's sealed. Hold on, give me 1 second. All right, I'll put it in here. Why not? All right, so yep, here we go. So the first thing I am going to do is apply the Landfo base coat gel. And like I said, I do have a video on this unboxing and swatch video. So if you guys are interested, if it is already up, I will link it down below or in the cards. If not, I will upload it. So we're just gonna take it and put it all over the nail. And I already filed, shaped, and buffed the top of the nail, especially around the cuticle area, because when you do press on nails, you do want to flatten out the cuticle area as much as possible, so as when you apply it, it will look as natural as possible. And always make sure, I've learned this the hard way, that you do wipe off your sides when you are applying polish, or it will make your nail look a little bit more thicker than it actually should be. So just wipe along the sides, get the excess off. Like, see, look at that. And then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds in my nail lamp. Okay, so now I will be using this XKJ Star Glue. I got this from Amazon. I will put that video down below or in the cards if you guys are interested in checking that nail haul out. But I'm just going to put this on the nail where I want my nail foil to go. And like I said, I purchased my nail foil from the Nail Hustler here on YouTube. So I'm going to put it a nice even coat on the nail, and this is air drying. I got this because it was air drying, and I figured it was a little bit easier for me to work with, because I did try the Macart one and I just think I need a better lamp. So until I can get one, this will have to be what I use for now. So yeah, I have this. I'm going to apply this to the nail, and then we'll go on to our next step. So I'm going to allow this to air dry clear, and then I'll be back to show you guys the next step. Okay, so now that this is pretty much dry, it's just a little piece right here that isn't really dry. I'm going to apply my foil transfer, and I'm going to put this down here, and then I'm going to smooth it on in. And then I'm going to use this little tool right here. You can just use your fingers, you can use a cuticle pusher, whatever you have, and just rub it in. so that it actually sticks to the glue and the nail. And it's like having a tattoo, really, or one of those old school tattoos when you was younger. Back in the day, you put some water on it, you rub it on, and then you take off the paper to reveal the tattoo. If y'all remember that, like this video. And then I'm going to peel it off and see if it stuck where it needed to stick. And it did, so that is what that is looking like. I'm going to base coat it and then we're going to cure it. So now I'm going to take this Polygel. Only thing I don't like about it is not a lot in it, but we're going to use it. This is 12008 from Landfo. This is Amazon. So I'm just going to put a dollop onto the cuticle area of the nail. And then I'm going to use the slip solution that came with the kit. And we are going to blend it downwards to recreate this nail right here. And it might look different because I did add a darker purple not polygel, but gel polish to it. But we're just going to go with this one because this one seems to match best. So yeah, I'm just going to pat it into place, thin it out around the cuticle area, so that when I do apply it as a press on, it looks as natural as possible. Okay, so now I'm going to add some McCart's Polygel. This is in clear, and I'm going to apply it to cap everything, especially the purple ombre color. And I don't know why this is so stiff. But here we go. Just like that. And we are going to blend it into the nail. Okay, so I applied my alcohol to make the sticky layer go away. So now I'm just gonna take my file, and I got this from one of the nail kits from Macart. This is the 100, 180. I'm gonna take the 100 side, and I'm just gonna shape and file, and then I'm going to buff my nails with a nail buffer. Alright, so now I'm just taking some cuticle oil, putting it on the nail, rubbing it through, and then I'm just going to buff it. And that eliminates all the scratch marks that is on the nail and gives it a nice, clean, smooth surface. And I tried using this mountain tack thing, but it's not sticking the way it's supposed to stick. It don't stay. So if y'all have any recommendations of good putty tape or mountain tape that'd be good to do press on nails, please let me know down in the comment boxes. I would greatly appreciate it. Cause look, it's just coming off, see? And it makes it hard for me to do nails. So I just take it off. Alright, let's wipe it down. Get the excess oil off, because if we keep the oil on, then the next step will not work, which is applying the glue or the polish so you can apply your rhinestones or charms. Okay, so look at this nice little press-on nail we made here. And it just goes on the finger like that. Slide it on. Boom. Got your little apex. Boom. And there we go. So the next step that I'm going to do is add some flowers, because as you see on this nail, it has flowers and those little gold caviar beads. So I got this, I think, from House of Supply, their subscription box. So I'm going to apply some flowers and the stone, the caviar beads, and we'll be finishing up this project or this nail design.